Stem and leaf plots are a method for showing the frequency of values. You could make a frequency distribution table or a histogram for the values, or you could use a stem and leaf plot to let the numbers themselves show pretty much the same information. For instance, suppose you have the following list of values. You could make a frequency distribution table showing how many 10s, 20s, 30s, and 40s you have. You could make a histogram, which is a bar graph showing the number of occurrences, with the cases being numbers in the 10s, 20s, 30s, and 40s. The downside of frequency distribution tables and histograms is that while the frequency of each class is easy to see, the original data points have been lost. You can tell, for instance, that there has been 3 listed values that were in the 40s, but there is no way to tell from the table or from the histogram what those values might have been. On the other hand, you could make a stem and leaf plot for the same data. The stem is the left-hand column, which contains the 10 digits. The leaves are the lists in the right-hand column, showing all the digits for each of the 10s, 20s, 30s, and 40s. As you can see, the original values can still be determined. You can tell from the bottom leaf that the 3 values in the 40s were 40, 40, and 41. Note that the horizontal leaves in the stem and leaf plot correspond to the vertical bars in the histogram, and the leaves have links that equal the numbers in the frequency table. That's pretty much all there is to a stem and leaf plot. You're just listing out how many entries you have in a certain classes of numbers and what those entries are.
Created using Powtoon.